Hey guys, it's Marie with WTI. Are you looking for some really awesome, nice, unique wall sconces?
I love the detail that these sconces have. It's not just one tone, it has different tones and different textures to it. I love the contrast of bronze and silver. The leaves on the sconce look super cool. You can hang them side by side, maybe closer together, further apart. Either way, it looks really, really good. You can put a real candle in there, or you can put one of those fake tea light candles. Either way, it looks really great. I love the shape of how it curves, touching the wall, then not touching the wall, and then back to touching the wall again. And I love the curl at the bottom. The shape of where the candle goes in is really unique also because the lip at the top curves out. Here are two that are positioned closer together, and that looks great too.
So if you are looking for some wall sconces for your house, they're very unique. They fit big walls, small walls, wherever you would like to put them, they will look amazing, and that is my point of view.